How to upload stories on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily upload stories on Snapchat. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up Snapchat. And once you open it up, you want to go to the community tab at the bottom right corner, right beside your camera. Once you're on the stories section, go ahead and find the option My Story and then tap on it. Now you can easily upload your stories from your camera roll or your memories. So I'll just go over to my camera roll and select a video from here. Once you have selected your video, all you have to do here is tap on Add to Story or My Story. But if you want to tag someone here, tap on the stickers icon at the top. Then you can add mentions, tap on mentions, select the person you want to mention, and you can just go ahead and tap on Add to My Story down below. Now you're good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. Now you can find a story on your profile right over here. If this was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.